Scott Tales. Oh. Hi, everybody, and welcome to another episode of Scott Tales. My name is Scott Hostetler. Scott Tales is a show that shows you different drinks and gives you some jokes, gives you the history of the drinks, and, like this one here. I misplaced my gym membership. Wednesday, 4 years ago. And, the new card, the replacement card is like $10. And then I saw they had this special on a donut and a coffee for $3. Guess who saved $7 today? Oh, gosh, if you like these videos and these jokes, there's something wrong with you. But no, if you're enjoying this, then please like and subscribe. It really helps me grow the channel. Today, we've got a mocktail that we could turn into a cocktail. It's called the Arnold Palmer, and it was invented, oddly enough, by Arnold Palmer, the golfer. Legend has it that in Palm Springs in the 1960s, he came in after a hot round and ordered this concoction. And a woman overheard his order and said, "I'll have that Arnold Palmer drink too." And the name kind of stuck. Of course, when Arnold orders it, he always ordered it, "Mr. Palmer, please." So this is how you make it. You take a glass full of ice, very, very simple, and it's 3-to-1. Now, some people say 50-50. That's called a half and half. That was a very hot drink in the 1990s in Hollywood. That was all the rage. But Arnold likes it 3-to-1, tea to lemonade. So we've got 8 ounces here of black tea, and then we're going to put in 2.5 ounces of lemonade, your standard lemonade. We've got Tea Java here and Tropicana regular lemonade, and you could give it a stir, just like that. One of my weaknesses is garnishes, and so I'd like to refer you to my friend Renee Rains on garnishes.
We're making lemon peels for drinks and cocktails.
Okay.
So you want to cut both ends off. And we're going to make a little slit.
Watch your fingers.
Yeah. And then we're just going to separate the peel from the inside. Okay. So that comes out. And then you've got, the more you have, the bigger the pulp, the easier it is. But you can, sometimes they just pull right out too. Okay, so then you've got, you just slice them like that.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. So then you just make them like this.
All right.
Lemon twists.
Yep. So the bigger the lemon, obviously, the twist is bigger.
You know what would be good is one of those spoons, right, with the grated, with the edge to
Serrated?
Yeah, if you get a grapefruit spoon.
it.
That
Yeah,
helps
right.
too.
All right,
Okay.
Renee, let's say goodbye. Now hold those up.
And that's your lemon peel.
Well, thank you for that, Renee. So we're going to garnish it with one of your lemon wedges. Thank you so much. Now, should we give it a try? It's day in court. Yes! Refreshing, light. It's, iced tea with a lemon taste in there for it. You're going to love that. Now, if you want to make it an Arnold Palmer spiked, you put in 2 ounces of bourbon. But if you want a John Daly, you put in 2 ounces of vodka. So, I was at the gym. I was just looking over things. This guy comes up and says, "Hey, you want to get in shape? You should take UFC training." And it kind of scared me. I said, "No, I'm signed with KFC." Remember what we say here at Scott Tales: drink up, because it's almost closing time somewhere.